So the question we have is find the caller cross brand combination where no calls are made. Okay, so in the customer calls table you can see there is caller column and we have brands, right? So we want to know those caller and brand combination where there has been no calls made. Okay, and to solve this we will use cross join. So I'll show you how to write that query, and first we will create two CT, one for caller and one for brand, and then we'll cross join it. Okay, I'll show you how to do that. So from customer calls, okay, so we will select distinct caller. Okay, so this is our first city. So if I just run this part, we will get all the distinct caller we have in our table. Okay, so we have all these callers in the table. Okay, so I'll use this as a city. So with caller as this part, okay, and comma, we'll create another city, that is brand. Okay, so brand as, so again we will select distinct brand, and this is from the customers table. Okay, so because we have all the 5 brands that is in customers table, so customers. Okay, so if I just run this part, you will see we have all the brands, right? So the output has 5 brands that we have in our customer table: automotive, electronics, gift card, home kitchen and FMCG. Okay, so now we have created 2 CTs. Okay, so if I just join this 2 table, if I cross join this 2 table, how the output will look like? So cross join brand. Okay, and if I select caller dot caller and brand dot brand, okay, see how the output will come much. Okay, I'll just run this part. Okay, so we got caller cross brand. Okay, and I'll just put another condition here. I'll order by caller to show the result in a much better way. So if I just order by this, okay, and I'll run the query again. See, we have, for example, for one caller Archana, we have all the 5 brands. Okay, so this select statement will give all the callers. For example, in table we have 20 colors and we have 5 brands, so this will have 20 cross 5, that is 100 output. All right, so this is how cross join works. And now to get our output, that is caller cross brand combination where no calls are made, we will left join this entire cross join thing with our customer calls table. So see, I'm doing, so customer calls on, and we'll give this alias as call on call dot caller is equal to our city dot caller, right? So caller dot caller, and we'll also join the customer calls table brand equal to the city brands dot brand. Okay, so what I have done is I have joined this output of this cross join thing that you can see in the result grid, and I have joined it with our customer calls table with multiple conditions, and I'll add another count statement here. So count distinct call dot id as total calls. Okay, and we have already put group by condition here. So what we have done is we have joined the customer calls table with our cross join table, and we are calculating the total call made by each caller for each brand, right? So if I just run this part, see how the output will come much. All right, we got the caller wise brand and their total calls. So for example, the first caller Archana for brand automotive, she had 1351 calls, but for electronics, FMCG and gift card, she has 0 calls, and for home kitchen she had 2 calls. Okay, so I think we are nearing the final query, that is where the combination where no calls made. Okay, so we'll use having function here, right? So having total calls is equal to 0, right? So this is our final query. So if I run this part, okay, so these are the combination of caller and brand where we have 0 calls. All right, so I hope you understood how to use cross join to solve this question.